Hello everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. All good everyone? Any doubts on the last class?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. Did you guys complete the NCRT? No, nobody did. Okay. Don't worry. There will be one day where I'll be talking to your parents and telling them all about it. That you guys are not doing homework. Okay. And nobody starts the camera also, right? So I think we need to complain to your parents. Would that be fine, everyone? Rishita, did you complete the NCRT?
Yes, sir, but it was long one, not. I only did two exercises.
Exercise. Okay. By when will you complete the methods of differentiation, logarithmic, parametric, everything?
I did the last two exercises. I have to do the other. I'll do the others too.
Okay. Taha, what about you?
Was home from the past week, so I wasn't able to do anything.
Okay. By when will you complete this?
Sir, I'll do it by tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Sufyan, what about you? Okay. Not there. Got it. Okay, we started to revise some questions of limits. Okay. So let me give you a question, try to solve it. We did a substitution, direct substitution, then rationalization. Okay. So try to do this question. X tending to 2, x cube minus 3x square plus 4 divided by x to the power 4 minus 8x square plus 16. Okay. Any of you who does not know how to factorize a cubic polynomial? Yeah, tell me honestly if you don't know this. You are going to need this in integration also. Okay, Rishita, you have not been learning this since class 11, right? Every time you forget this. Okay. Taha, what about you?
Sir, I remember it. Yes.
Sorry,
I think I remember it.
you remember it. Okay, very good. Sufyan,
No, sir.
do you know how to factorize a cubic polynomial?
No.
No. See, the only way to factorize a cubic polynomial is to first put x as 0, then x as 1, then x as minus 1, then x as 2, then x as minus 2. Wherever you get 0, you then divide by x minus 1 or x minus 2 and so on. For an example, if you put 1 here, you get 1 minus 3 plus 4. So you see you are getting 2. So next we'll put x as minus 1. So minus 1 minus 3 plus 4. So it has become 0. So x plus 1 is a factor. Okay. Now we'll divide this whole term, which is x cube minus 3x square plus 4 by this x plus 1. Okay. Then get some remainder. Remainder will be 0. Some other factor, which is if you multiply x square here. How many of you know long division? How to divide two polynomials? And who doesn't know? Okay. Everyone knows. So x cube plus x square minus and minus, so minus 4x square plus 4. So we'll multiply minus 4x. So minus 4x square minus 4x. So this is gone, plus 4x plus 4. So we'll multiply plus 4 and we get 0. Okay. So this x cube minus 3x square plus 4 is nothing but x plus 1 times x square minus 4x plus 4. Now we have to factorize this quadratic also. X plus 1, this is x minus 2 whole square. So this is the factorized form of the cubic polynomial numerator. And in the denominator, we have pi quadratic, x to the power 4. In this type of question, what we do is take x square as, so this quadratic becomes t square minus 8t plus 16. Okay. So now you can factorize this quadratic, and this is, I think, t minus 4 whole square. Okay. And t is again x square, so x square minus 4 whole square. So this is x square minus 2 square. So again we can write x minus 2, x plus 2 whole square. So finally the factorized form about the numerator and the denominator is x minus 2 whole square, x plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square upon x plus 2 whole square. This is gone. Now you can put x as 2. So 3 pi 4 square 16. This is the answer. बच्चों का खेल ठीक है. All we did is factorize, things get cancelled, we get the answer. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, don't copy, try to do it on your own. Done, everyone?
और वो यार
Yes or no? Done?
Sir, can you share it again?
Okay. Don't copy, try to read it, then do it by yourself. Okay, when we copy, we think we understand, but we don't. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was factorization method. Next one is rationalization. Okay, anyone remembers what is rationalization?
Yes.
Right? We used to do this in class 8th or 9th. I don't surely remember, but somewhat like that, right? So 1 upon root 2 minus root 3, we used to multiply by changing the sign, and it used to become a square minus b square, so 2 minus 3, so it is minus root 2 minus root 3. This was the process of rationalization. Same thing we use in limits. Okay, for an example, if we have limit x tending to 0, root 2 plus x minus root 2 upon x. Try to rationalize it and solve the limit. Okay, whenever you face a question of limits, first method is direct substitution. ठीक है, x को 0 रख के देख लो, so it will become 2 minus 2 0 0 upon 0, so not getting the answer. Then try the factorization method, then do the rationalization. Okay, always use this order. Okay, so when we rationalize this, we get limit x tending to 0, root 2 plus x minus root 2 upon x multiplied with root 2 plus x plus root 2 upon root 2 plus x plus root 2. Okay, so in the numerator it becomes square square, so 2 plus x minus 2 upon, let's keep it like this in the denominator, 2 and 2 is gone, and x is also gone, so 1 upon this thing, x is 0, so root 2 plus 2, so 1 upon 2 plus root 2 will be the answer. Again, you can rationalize or not, whatever you use. Okay, got the method? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so limit x tending to 0, x upon root a plus x minus root a minus x. Okay, Sufyan got 0 as the answer. Let's see. Anyone else solved this? No, I'll give you a few more minutes. Okay, let's see. When we rationalize this, it will become x times root a plus x plus root a minus x. Upon this will be square, so a plus x minus a plus x. Okay. So a and a gone, x and this is 2x, so 1 upon 2. If we put x as 0, so root a plus root a, so 2 root a, so root a is the answer. Okay, Rishita, very good. Correct answer. Let's do one more question. Limit x tending to 0, root a square plus x square minus root a square minus x square whole divided by x square. Okay, both of you got the correct answer. Taha, Sufyan. Very good. So I don't think I need to solve this. We can move ahead. Okay, Rishita, got it? Okay. So these are the standard techniques. There are some standard formula also. Standard formulas. Okay. So first one is if limit x tending to 0 or x tending to a, you can write x tending to a, x to the power n, a to the power n upon x minus a, then you can simply write this as n a to the power n minus 1. Okay. We have x, a, and power n. In the numerator, we have x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a. And if x is tending to a, if you use direct substitution, this becomes a to the power n minus a to the power n upon a minus, which is 0 upon 0, not very good for us. So you can use this formula directly. Okay. For an example, if you have limit x tending to a, x to the power 17 minus, you can write 8 to the power 16 upon x minus 8 and x tending to 8. So you can directly write the formula as 17, a is 8 and 17 minus 1 is 16. Okay, this will be the answer. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, try to do one question on this. Limit x tending to 2, x to the power 10 minus 1024 upon x minus 2.
Is that 10 to the power of 24?
No, that is 1024. Okay, 5120. So this we can write as x to the power 10 minus 2 to the power 10 upon x minus 2. The formula is 10 times 2 to the power 9. Okay. So it will be 5120. Let's do one more question. Limit x tending to 2, x to the power 10 minus 1024 divided by x to the power 5 minus 32. Try to solve it. Okay. In this type of question, we have to create the formula ourselves. Okay. So we have limit x tending to 2. We need x by 2, x minus 2 here. So we can divide by x minus 2 on both the terms, numerator and denominator. Okay. Because they cancel out each other and it becomes the same thing. But now we can use the formula individually on numerator and denominator. So this becomes, again, we have 2 to the power 9 times 10 divided by, this is 5 times 2 to the power 4. Okay. So 2 to the power 6 is the answer. Got it, everyone? Okay, hopefully yes. Okay, few more formulas we have. Limit x tending to 0, sine theta is 0, and limit x tending to 0, cos x is 0, theta tending to 0, and cos theta is 0. Third one, limit theta tending to 0, sine theta by theta is 1, and same is limit theta tending to 0, tan theta by theta is also 1. Okay, and remember angle is in radians. One question, limit x tending to 0, sine 3x by x, sine 5x by 2x, sine ex by sine bx. Okay, try to solve these 3 questions. Got the answer? Here we need sine theta upon theta. So here we have 3x. So we can multiply 3x and divide by 3x. So this thing becomes 1. Answer is 3. Okay. And this question we have limit x tend to 0 sine 5x. So we need 5x here. But we had 2x. So it will become 5 by 2. Okay. In here we can divide by ex and bx. Sine ex by ax. So multiply and divide by ax. Sine bx. So multiply and divide by bx. This becomes 1. This becomes 1. X and x is gone. So a by b is the answer. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Few more formulas we have. This is all class 11 topic. Okay, few more formulas we have. Limit x tending to 0 e to the power x minus 1 upon x is equals to log a. Limit x tend to 0 e to the power x minus upon x is 1. Okay. Limit x tending to 0 log 1 x upon x is 1. Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do a few questions about how to solve questions of limits. Check that the limit x tending 1 f of x exists or not. Now, how do we know when limit exists? If LHL equals to RHL, limit exists. Okay, LHL is left hand limit. So the limit x tending to 1 minus f of x is equals to limit x tending to 1 plus f of x. Okay, and this 1 minus 1 plus means limit x tending to 1 minus h f of x should be equals to limit x tending to 1 plus h f of x. Okay, yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and here function is given as f of x is 1 plus x square and 2 minus x. This is when x is more than 1, 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 1. Try to solve. Okay, how to solve this? Here you can find LHL very simply like this: h tending to 0, f of 1 minus h, and RHL should be limit h tending to 0, f of 1 plus h. If you put this value in the function itself and put h equals to 0, you'll get the answer. Got the answer, anyone? LHL will be limit x tending to how much it is 1 f of x, okay, 1 minus, so it is limit h tending to 0 f of 1 minus h, and for the value of x less than 1 we have to use this function 1 plus x square, so it is limit 1 plus x square, that means 1 minus h whole square, h tending to 0. Now to solve this limit, first method is to use direct substitution. So we can put the value of h as 0 directly, so the answer will be 2. Now for RHL, we are limit x tending to 1 plus f of x, h tending to 0 f of 1 plus h, and for x more than 1 the function is 2 minus x. So limit h tending to 0 2 minus x, 2 minus 1 plus h, so it is 2 minus 1 minus h, so h is 0, so 1. We can see they are two different things, so the limit does not exist. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, one more question. F of x is 2x plus 3 and 3 times x plus 1, and this is when x is less than equals to 0, x is greater than 0. Find limit f of x, x tending to 0. Okay, Sufyan is saying 3. Anyone else got the answer? when x is 0 or less than 0, we will use this function. So it will become limit h tending to 0, 2 times 0 minus h plus 3, h we can put 0. So this is 3. Okay. RHL will be limit x tending to 0 plus h, f of x, which is 3x plus 1, and this will be limit 3, 0 plus h plus 1, h tending to 0. So this is 3. So LHN and RHL are equal, which is 3. So limit is also 3. Got it, everyone? Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question. F of x equals to 2 minus x greater than equals to 0, 2 plus x less than equals to 0. Okay, check whether limit f of x extending to 0 exists or not. Okay. Okay, Sufyan. Any other answers? Rishita, Taha, still solving?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay, let's see. LHL here will be limit x tending to 0 minus f of x, where x is less than 0, that means 2 plus x. Okay, so limit h tending to 0, 2 plus 0 minus h is 0, so LHL is 2. RHL will be limit x tending to 0 plus and more than 0, that means 2 minus x will use. So limit h tending to 0, 2 minus 0 minus h or 0 plus h is 0. So again the answer is 2. So limit is 2. Okay. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So this is all about limits. In the next class, we'll start with continuity. And then in the class after that, we'll start with differentiability. We'll complete it. Okay. Then we have application of derivative. But for that, you have to know all the methods of differentiation. Okay. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is all for today. Take care, guys.
Sir, I have a question regarding inverse trigonometry.
Okay.
Sir, the question is, find the domain of 3 cos inverse 2x minus 1.
Okay. Domain of this. What is the domain of cos inverse x?
Minus 1 and 1.
Okay. So what this means is x should belong to minus 1 to 1. Yes, am I right?
Yes, sir.
But in this question, what is in the place of x?
2x minus 1. So there's a minus 2 additional, like, which is not a part of the function. Minus 2.
Like this? Minus 2. Okay.
Yes,
So see, whenever we are calculating domain outside numbers don't matter. Okay. What matters is what is as the input. Okay.
yes, sir.
So cos inverse x, because the foundation is in cos inverse x. Okay. So cos inverse x domain is from minus 1 to 1. So x should belong to minus 1 to 1. But here in this question, it is not x, but suppose this is called alpha. So we alpha should belong to minus 1 to 1. What is alpha? 2x minus 1 should belong to minus 1 to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 2x should belong to, we can add 1, right? On both sides.
Yes, sir.
So it will become 0 to 2. We'll divide by 2. So x should belong to 0 to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir. But what if the number inside is like 1 by 3x plus 2?
1 by 3x plus 2, like this. Cos inverse. Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you remember the solving inequalities, then you can put it like this. X should be less than 1 and greater than minus 1. Okay, equals to also. So you can write 1 upon 3x plus 2 less than equals to 1 less than equals to minus 1. Now you know how to solve this inequality. You have to solve these two. 1 upon 3x plus 2 minus 1 less than equals to 0. Now you have to factorize 1 minus 3x minus 2 upon 3x plus 2 less than equals to 0, and so on. Then you have to put the number line. Remember, plus, minus, plus, and everything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just ask the team to get your the lectures of inequalities of class 11. Okay.
Yes, sir. I remember the inequalities. But the
Yeah.
question is 3 cos and minus 2. So we don't have anything to do with that?
No. Domain. This things does not affect domain, right? Domain is all about this thing, right?
Okay.
See, if you have cos inverse x, here domain is minus 1 to 1. If you multiply 5 by 2 here, the domain is still